walking home without an umbrella under the drizzling rain. My shoes soaked through, but I didn't care, because my heart was heavier than the clouds, holding feelings I could never share. Alone